Here's this little COVID virus. How does that little virus know where to go? Hey, greetings and welcome to Faraday Studios, home of Midnight Science Club. Now, you know, in recent months and years, we've had this COVID thing going, right?
Yeah.
And it made people sick and made people miserable and all this stuff that went with COVID. And then they had the vaccines. And I often wondered, here's this little COVID virus floating around, and it comes, and I breathe it in or I get it in me somehow, right? And then it goes in and does some dirty work inside. How does that little virus know where to go? How does it know?
Computer virus.
A computer, no, that's the wrong kind of get out. Computer virus. Or how does the vaccine know what to do?
Maybe they have a way of communicating.
A way of communicating.
Like vibrations.
I'm going to see if you can figure out what this is trying to demonstrate. Index cards and a
crayons.
Some crayons. And then I've got, what does that say on there?
Paint thinner.
Paint thinner.
Distilled water.
Okay, so I've got some water and some paint thinner. How could I, chemistry of virus, I mean, I don't know what you're trying to do, Jake. So I'd like you to take some cards. Just take a card there and take a card. And take the color of your choice. We have plenty. And I just want you to cover the cardboard and get a nice thick layer of wax on it. So you come back in about an hour, we'll have this done. There, I've got it. Look at there.
Perfectionist.
How you doing? Oh, he's doing the whole thing.
Really?
Oh, he's one of those kinds. Now you notice I've got wax on one side, right? And no wax on the other. Wax on, wax off. So I want you to punch out some holes. You know, give me 5 or 10 little punches. Now hold up to the camera to show them that you are poking holes.
I am poking holes.
It's all mixed up. You got some with the wax up and some with the wax down. So here comes the messy part we have to be careful with. I would like you to pour through the funnel, paint thinner about that deep. This is called 2 fingers.
Got it.
And then another 2 fingers with water. Kind of go slow.
Go a little bit faster than that, I think. 2 fingers.
There are 2 fingers. Okay. Now what are you going to do?
Water.
Water. Okay.
No one make me laugh. Got it?
No laughing. No laughing. Okay, here we go.
Okay. That's good.
Okay. Why don't you count out about 10 or 12 of those? Just drop them in there. Tell me what you see about the liquids. What do you observe about the liquids?
It's falling through the water, but it's not going into the paint thinner. Oh, yeah.
Oh, so you're assuming the water's on top?
Yes. Because the paint thinner is slightly thicker than water.
How about if we just tasted it?
No.
Okay.
That would kill us.
Well, it might not kill you, but it might not make you too happy. Why don't you put the lid on your bottle, pretty snug. Go ahead and put the lid on there. Now this, why don't you shake them up a little bit. Like that, yeah, and set it down, that's enough probably. Let's just see what happens, see if you notice anything. Is it separating on its own? Do you notice anything in general? And it's not pretty, of course this isn't perfect by any means, but what do you notice about your papers?
They're on top of the bottom one, but underneath the top one.
Okay. How did they know to go there? They say, hey, I'll meet you all in the middle. Wax is attracted to the paint thinner or attracted to the water? I don't know. So tell me, what in the world would this demonstrate that has anything to do with viruses and COVID?
Because the vaccine, they're like attracted to different areas.
Oh, now say that again.
They're like attracted to different areas, so they know where to go.
Do they know, or are they just attracted?
Well, they're just attracted.
Looks to me like in yours, the colors are mostly up. Well, to tell you the truth, what I think I know is that the wax is a hydrocarbon, and that paint thinner is a hydrocarbon, and they're attracted. And I think the color will face towards the paint thinner. So which layer would you say is the paint thinner?
The top layer, right?
So what's that got to do with drugs and COVID and all that sort of thing?
Vaccines and stuff are attracted to different things.
It's amazing how they could design a chemical to go right towards a spot on a cell. That's like somebody wanting to say, hey, watch this. All right, in your eye, how would it know to go right there? Bang, like that. That's what chemists do, design molecules that will be attracted to one another, one way or another. But you want to say goodbye this time?
All right.
Look in the camera.
This is Luca. At Faraday Studios.
Say goodbye, Chessie.
This is Chessie signing off from Midnight Science Club.
You know where you're at?
Yes.
And you thought like a scientist for just a little bit. It didn't hurt, did it? I see, I made all mine disappear. Just
testing out different hypotheses.
Hypothesis, yeah. Well, you're actually thinking like a scientist, which is sometimes.
Now that's fun.
Oh, that is cool.